Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. My name's Sammy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a whiskey coffee. Whiskey coffee is very popular on Burns night and it's also a particularly popular drink with all you Scots out there, but we thought for all of you whiskey lovers, because there are so many, we'd show you how to make the perfect whiskey coffee from home using, of course, Coffee Direct blends. Today we're choosing to use the Arabica Supremo blend from Coffee Direct. We have hundreds of choices to choose from on our website, so go down to coffeedirect.co.uk and have a look at what suits your flavours and your tastes. The Arabica Supremo blend is a complex blend of 100% Arabica beans from 5 different locations. It's full strength, full body and full aroma. It's espresso roasted but suitable for all brewing methods. Okay, so to run you through the equipment and ingredients you'll need, we've got all of ours prepared as you can see. You'll need 1 cafetiere. Today we're using a single serving cafetiere, but if you're serving for 2 or more people, just adjust the ingredients accordingly. I'm also using a small grater for the nutmeg. You'll need 1 bowl, 1 whisk and a kettle. The ingredients, you will need a nutmeg. You'll need 2 tablespoons of your favourite ground coffee, ideally Coffee Direct. You'll also need 125 ml of boiling water. Ours is pre-boiled and ready to go. You'll need your empty heat-proof glass or mug. You will also need 50 ml of your favourite whiskey. And you will need 2 tablespoons of double cream. It will need to be whipped. We've pre-whipped ours, we've cheated a little. And you'll also need 1 to 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, depending on how sweet your taste buds are. Okay, so to actually make the coffee, what you'll need to do is take your cafetiere, empty your 2 tablespoons of chosen coffee grounds, and then you're going to want to add your 125 ml of boiling water. Try not to spill any like I've just done. And replace the lid, and then you're going to want to leave that to brew for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so while your coffee is brewing, you're going to want to whip your cream. It's double cream, 2 tablespoons of double cream. You need to whip that in a bowl, either using a handheld whisk or we cheated and use an electric whisk. We pre-whisked ours. You want to whisk it until it starts to thicken and takes its own form, but not to the point where it starts building peaks, so just before that point. When your coffee is ready, we have left ours for 4 minutes. You then want to push the plunger down. And then you want to fill your glass until it's about just over half full. It smells amazing. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is add your favourite whiskey. And then you need to add the desired amount of brown sugar. So I have quite a sweet tooth, so I'm going to go for 2 teaspoons. Don't judge. Okay, next thing you need to do is give that a really good mix until the sugar's all dissolved. And then what you can do is you can add your whipped cream to the topping and it should float nicely on the top. Fingers crossed it works as planned. And it's looking good. Okay. And then finally, this is optional, but you can grate some nutmeg over the top to finish it off. And it just smells incredible. So there you have it. That's your whiskey coffee. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video today. Really hope you give it a go at home with your favourite whiskey. Please do share on social media, give us a tag. It's at Coffee Direct. Let us know if you enjoyed it, which whiskey you used, and if there are any other recipes you'd like to see from us. Thanks for joining. Bye.